how to share a site news to your Gmail. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share a site news on Google Chrome to your Gmail. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, and here you have those sites. All you need to do is click on those three, click on the share icon, and now you have your Gmail. Just click on it and they're gonna send this post to your Gmail automatically. And this is it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.